Hi, I'm Nathan Marrocco. I'm a computer scientist from Stanford and the lead developer for the Rosette project. Rosette is a Yelp-like application built on Ethereum that allows users to review anything on an immutable ledger. For example, Amazon or eBay products, ICOs, web pages, spam sites, names, phone numbers, addresses like email addresses, IP addresses, physical addresses, and so on. What makes Rosette special is the way that it screens reviews. Reviews are weighted differently depending on a writer's reputation score. Because reviews are stored on the blockchain, they can never be removed, censored, or expire. But Rosette is not just an application, it's a reputation network that any application can connect to. Rosette has two main components, users and badges. Users are simply anyone with a Rosette account. Badges are smart contracts that store review information like comments and ratings. So, if a user wants to review someone or something, they write the review on a badge, then this badge is written to the blockchain and attached to the writer's profile, creating a permanent and immutable review. There are several ways users can access reviews. The first way is through the Rosette application. Anyone can search for or browse user profiles and see reviews they have written or received. You can also search for any supported data type. Currently, the supported data types are web pages, ICOs, Amazon and eBay products, phone numbers, IP addresses, email addresses, and physical addresses. But more data types will be added as more applications are developed. For example, very specific data types can be added, like movies, restaurants, Uber drivers, graduates from a certain university, and so on. The second way users can see reviews is through the Rosette browser extension. For example, if you navigate to Amazon with the browser extension installed, you'll be able to see reviews from Rosette alongside regular reviews. You'll be able to filter and sort products or reviews by reputation score, as well as add your own immutable review directly from the browser extension. And any person that has the Rosette extension installed will be able to read it. Those reviews can never be removed, censored, or expire because they are written on the blockchain. Reputation score on Rosette is called badge rank. The badge rank algorithm is based on the number and type of badges a user has. Since a user's badges represent a record of their interaction with society, the badge rank algorithm can analyze them to determine a person's reputation. Badge rank is an accurate reputation score because it is difficult to manipulate. Badge rank is determined recursively. For example, to decide a user's badge rank, the algorithm looks at all the badges the user has received, but also all the badges those badge senders have received, and all the badges of those badges senders, and so on. Badge rank prevents manipulation in 4 ways: manually approved super users, recursion, age of users, and AI. Manually approved super users are universally trusted organizations like Stanford, Microsoft, Bank of America, etc. A fake user will not be able to acquire enough badges from super users to look like a real user. Maybe, to the naked eye, a fake user could appear somewhat genuine, but when you traverse the network recursively, the fraud is easily exposed. The seniority of users is another factor. Since timestamps on the blockchain cannot be faked, it is impossible to create a network of fake aged users. Of course, AI can also be applied to the network, which could consider all of these factors and more to determine better reputation scores. Rosette can be used to review anything, and that's the main focus. But badge rank has very interesting applications that can go far beyond reviews. For example, Google could use reputation information to improve their own search algorithm. Google tries to use social signals like Facebook and Twitter, but it's difficult to see who's real or not because they don't have access to all of Facebook and Twitter's data. But with Rosette, all the data is on the public Ethereum blockchain. Amazon or Facebook could use Rosette to improve their own internal algorithms by filtering spam and fake reviews. Rosette gives applications an extra set of data that they can use alongside their own to improve their services, and they don't have to trust a centralized entity to use the data. Badge rank can also improve social media by filtering fake news and allowing high badge rank users to add comments that cannot be deleted by biased moderators. Rosette can be used to automatically block unwanted phone numbers or email addresses below a certain badge rank, or even power captcha-less human verification services. There are several reasons users might want to start using Rosette. One reason is that applications provide immediate usability, such as the ICO review application, the web page review application, or the human verification service that does not rely on CAPTCHAs. People can leave immutable reviews on things they care about right now, which is something that was previously impossible. Rosette's reviews can be indexed by Google. If you search for an ICO project and a Rosette user has reviewed it, it will appear in the search results just like any other website. This allows unregistered users to become familiar with the platform, see its utility, and sign up when they're ready. Web indexing builds awareness and provides valuable information to users without forcing them to create an account. Another incentive for adoption is the possibility for users to profit from the Rosette network. The Rosette token, or ROS, is the cryptocurrency that powers the network. When an application wants to authenticate a reputable user, it must pay ROS to the network. Similar to YouTube's advertisement revenue model, Rosette redistributes its earnings to its most performant users. But unlike YouTube, 100% of the earnings are redistributed. The algorithm that controls redistribution can be read about in detail in the white paper. But as a general rule, it is designed to pay the users who contribute the most valuable reputation information to the network. For example, a renowned food critic or university could have a constant stream of ROS being awarded to them from previous badges they've sent to users. And if they ever choose to abuse their power, angry users could send them negative badges, which will lower their badge rank and stop their earnings. As a general rule, users don't have to pay anything to the network. The Ether and ROS is paid for by applications that profit from reputation information. The development of Rosette's core platform is already completed. The network is fully functional, and its first application allows you to write immutable reviews of upcoming ICOs. Those reviews are stored on the blockchain and are already searchable on Google. In Q1 of 2018, Amazon product review and web page review will be added, as well as an API to allow applications to easily read from and contribute to the network. Browser extensions that display Rosette's data directly inside the sites users already love, like Google, Amazon, and Facebook, will be released. Q2 will be focused on refining the badge rank algorithm and adding it to the public API. Q3 and 4 will see the release of more features like captcha-less human verification, spam filters for phone numbers, email addresses, IP addresses, and more, as well as new data types to review like movies, books, classifieds, Reddit, dating, housing, diplomas, and more. Rosette is a fully fledged decentralized reputation network that is very useful for single use case applications like reviewing ICOs or e-commerce products, but that has the potential to grow into something big that can integrate with almost any application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach us on Slack or Telegram.